Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to download Bilibili app on iPhone. So Bilibili app, which is like the Chinese YouTube, was released recently on iPhones. So to install it you have to go to the App Store, go and look for Bilibili. When you will find the app, instead of open, you will find install. Click on install button and wait for maximum 1 minute. It will be installed. After that, the app will be on your phone. You have just to put your age and it will start working for you. Just one thing that you should know is that the Bilibili app is not yet as good as YouTube or other streaming apps. So don't expect a lot from it. It's more like, as you can see, even the content on the app, you feel it's repetitive content. So don't expect so much from the app until now. And it's more like designed for people who like anime or cartoon like movies and things like that. So I hope that you can enjoy it. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video and